Hello. Hello. Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. What about the code? Is it clear? Code is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Module 2. Can write here M2. This is module 2. Module 2 is supposed to discuss today will be analysis and design of combinational logic. Analysis and design of combinational logic. As you know already, the general approach of the combinational logic design. It's okay. When you are taking with the combinational block, this is a combinational block. It's okay. And you have a number of inputs as well as you have a number of outputs. When I am taking the n are the inputs and m are the outputs. But n inputs, it's okay. N inputs all are current inputs, not the past output. Because this combinational block execute only the present inputs. It's okay. Then all n inputs are the present inputs. And proportionally you have a output. Output may be 1 or output may be m. It's okay. This idea you have. Then knowing with this, how you have to design the combinational network based on your idea. It's okay. Then in the idea, as I already told, whatever your idea is there, that should be the first statement. It's a verbal statement you have to make. When you made a verbal statement, systematically you have to write in algorithmic steps. What are you supposed to do? Systematically you have to write in algorithmic steps. When you are writing in algorithmic steps, it's okay. Then what you have to do? You have to have one table. That algorithmic step should bring in table. That is truth table. I can write. First is your idea. Next is the algorithmic steps. Then what you do after taking this algorithm steps? Truth table. Bring idea into algorithmic step into truth table. Then what you do? Apply one minimization technique. It's okay. That is either you can do for K-map or the QM method. It's okay. For minimization, what you do? Apply K-map and the QM method. It's okay. Then whenever you got the Boolean function, minimize the Boolean function. Minimize the Boolean function. It's okay. Then what to do? Implement. That implementation is once again conventional circuit, that is basic gates, or you can go for the universal circuits at this level. It's okay. Then apart from this, it's okay. Apart from this, what you will study in this module? You have a encoder, you have a decoder. These are readily available circuits when you can use it for your application. But you must know how exactly these circuits, what it is and how it will be designed. It's okay. Then you have a digital multiplexer. It's okay. Then you have an adder, digital multiplexer. It's okay. Encoder, decoder, digital multiplexer, then adder, subtractor. This is there in syllabus. Subtractor. It's okay. Then comparator. These all are the readily available hardwares, how to design and to implement. You will be studying in module 2. Along with this, instead of conventional circuits, so as I told you, basic gates are maybe the universal gates. you have a readily available hardwares are there, which you will be knowing by PLDs, programmable logic devices. PLDs, that is programmable logic devices. Another one is CPLD, complex programmable logic devices. It's okay. You'll be studying along with in this module only PLDs, programmable logic devices, complex programmable logic devices, and FPGAs. It is field programmable gate array. Field programmable gate array. These all are the arrays. Array may be an AND, array may be an OR. It's okay. Then both may be possible to program it, or single may be possible to program it. You must
Excuse me,
know. Huh.
sir, board is not clearly visible. Sir, now it's visible, sir.
Is the problem? Because network is my data is there. Is it clear?
No, sir.
Board is clear or not?
No, sir, not clear.
Data problem, huh?
Yes, sir, now it's clear, sir.
Okay. Now, whenever you have a problem, you have to communicate. Let's see that. Okay, this is the syllabus there in the module 2, analysis and design of the combination logic. Then, first we know about one simple example which will relates with the module 1. There you have already applied for the functional program using the K-map as well as the QM method. Then now what I am doing, I am giving you an idea. So you supposed to go for algorithm text script table, apply K-map or a QM method, minimize and to get the Boolean function and to implement it. It's okay. The problem statement we supposed to take the first one is, you can note down that. It's okay. You can note down that problem statement. Design the combination circuit. Design the combination circuit. Design the combination circuit. Design the combination circuit. Note down. To find the 9th complement of BCD number. To find the find the 9th complement of BCD number. What is your example? Design a combination circuit to find the 9th complement of BCD number. First, you must know what is exactly the 9th complement. It's okay. Before to know, you must to have 1's complement. What is 1's complement? What is 1's complement? Complement of the given bit. Complement of the given bit. You take 1's complement of 0 is 1 and 1 complement of 1 is 0. Complement of the given bit is the 1's complement. Then what about the 2's complement? What is 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1. 1's complement plus 1. Whatever the number he has given, what do? You have to have a 1's complement plus 1. Take one example. Decimal number 3. Decimal number 3. Then how to write the 2's complement of 3? First you do 1's complement. First you write 3. 3 will be 1 and 1. When the representation of 3, how you are doing? 1 and 1. This is 3. Then 1's complement will be, I can write here. 1's complement will be how much? 0, 0. 1's complement of 1, 1 will be 0, 0. Next, 2's complement will be plus 1. 1's complement plus 1 will be the 2's complement. Then what you have to do? You have to add. It's okay. But one thing you must know, the 2's complement of the given number is the negative value. 2's complement of the given number will be the negative value. It's okay. You must to know, might be you in first year level all studied. You have any problem, you have to ask. 1's complement is complementation of the given bit. 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. It's okay. And one point you must to know, the 2's complement value of the given input is the negative. It's okay. Equivalent. Next, similarly the 9's complement. The 9's complement when you are taking that to a particular single bit. So that's single digit you can count. Single digit. Then the value supposed to match it with 9. Not more than that. Not more than that. To take one example, the 9's complement of 2. The 9's complement of 2. 9's complement of 2 is 7, which can match with the 9. The 9's complement of 3 is 6. 9's complement of 5 is 4. And what is 9's complement of 9 is 0. It's okay. 9's complement of 9 is 0. Then sometimes it comes a question, sir, what is the 9's complement of 10? When you ask the 9's complement of less than 9 or an equal to 9, easily you can write. Then if someone is asking what is the 9's complement of 10, 10 is not a single digit. 10 decimal. These are all decimal numbers, sir. 10 is not a single digit. Here you have a 2 digit. Then you must write in 2 digit fashion. But particularly the example, which one you will be implementing in a single digit only. Because the number of digits goes on increasing, the design will be complex. But you must know, when you have a 2 digit decimal number, because this is a decimal number, 10 is the, how many digit decimal number is this? 2 digit. Then similarly you have a 2 digit number. It's okay. First digit, second digit, you supposed to write. It's okay. Next, in the implementation of the given statement, design the Boolean function, particularly for the combinational network of the 9's complement BCD number. Then, how many digits you want to represent? 4 bit you can take. It's okay. 4 bit one you have to take. That could be easy for you because the decimal number single digit comes from 0, 1, 2, ... 9. Then representation of 0 is single bit sufficient. Representation of 1 is 1 bit sufficient. Then representation of 2 is 2 bit is needed. I can write here. 0 I can write like this. 1 I can write like this. 2 I can write like this. Then similarly 3 I can write like this. Now how can you write 4? 4 you can need 3 bit representation. Then similarly I can write 8. How you can represent 8? 8 will be 4 bit. Similarly 9 will be 1001. Then decimal number single digit. Decimal number single digit 0 to 9. 0 you may represent it 1 bit, but max number which one it is in decimal single digit? 9. 9 you supposed to represent in 4 bit. Then input should be 4. Combination network input should be 4. Because all the time you can represent the highest value. Then if I have a 9, 4 bit should be necessary. Then I can represent from 0 to 9 all are in 4 bit. Then how can I represent 0? 4 zeros. How can I represent 1? 3, 0 and 1. How can I represent 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. How can I represent 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. How can I represent 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. Then how can I represent 8? 1, 0, 0. How can I represent 9? I can write ... 1, 0, 0, 1. But your combinations will be, it's okay. Go on. How long it will be? 1, 1, 1. But what should be the 9's equivalent from a single digit? Up to 9 you have to write. Up to 9 you have to write. So, okay. Later what you have to do comes with the 2-digit fashion, which it is not included in your design. Then what should you do? You treat it as don't care. It's okay. Then I can make it dash, 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 dash. Then what about the 9's complement of 0, 9? 9's complement of 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 8, 1. 9's complement of 9, 0. These are all the 9's complement value. And what is this value? BCD. This is BCD representation. BCD 4-bit representation. Binary coded decimal. The decimal number is 0 to 9, which can represent in binary fashion. Binary fashion. Take one example. 0 to 9. 0 can represent it to 4 zeros. 9 can represent it to 1001. One code, block code of 4-bit. Suppose if I am writing with 25, what is this number? Decimal number. Then I want its equivalent BCD number. How to represent the decimal number equivalent BCD number? 2 you can represent to 0, 0, 1, 0. 5 you can represent to 1, 0, sorry. 0, 1, 0, 1. I can underline here. 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. Where it is there. And 5 is 0, 1, 0. So, okay, 5 I have not written. Okay, you can take here. 5 will be 1, 0, 1. Representation will be 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 4. 9's complement will be 4. And what is the value for this? 0, 1, 0, 1, 5. Then 2 in a packed fashion binary you have written. 5 in a packed fashion binary you have written. This is binary coded decimal. And the radix is the base of the number. Decimal radix is how much? Decimal radix is how much? Hello? Are you audible? How much is the decimal radix?
2, sir.
Decimal radix is 2. Hey, this is for all. Sometimes I may not upload this video. If interaction is too much, I may not necessary to upload. Hey, what is the base of decimal number? Radix is base. Hey, these are things should be know.
8, sir.
How much?
8, 8. 8, sir.
Is your good name?
Sir?
Indica. Kohil Indica.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how it is? Yes. 8. Means you don't know about the radix first. Decimal radix. Radix I can write here. Radix / base. It's okay. A decimal number, radix is 10. Base is 10. Then what about the binary?
2, sir.
Radix. 2.
2, sir.
The meaning of radix is the number which you are allowed to use. Binary you are using 0 and 1. How many you are using? 2. Its radix is 2. In decimal number you are using from 0 to 9. How many from 0 to 9 are? 10.
10.
0 to 9 is 10. How many digits you are allowed to use to write the number? That is radix. That is base. Very simple. If I am writing any number, that number uses the digits. Digits, it's okay. How many are allowed? E is allowed for 0 to 9. E is allowed for 0 and 1. E is allowed for 0 to 7. It's okay. Octal. I can write here. Octal. What is the radix of octal?
8, sir.
8 meaning is I am using from 0 to 7. 2 meaning is I am using 0 and 1. 10 meaning is I am using 0 and 0 to 9. It's okay. This is 0 to 0 to 9, 0 to 7. Hexa number.
16, sir.
16.
16.
You suppose to use 0 to 9 as well as A, B, C, D, E. It's okay. F. A to F. 0 to 9 is 10 numbers. A to F is 6. Representation of 10 will be A. 11 will be B. 12 will be C. Like that you have a F will be 15. 0 to 15 will be 16 number, which will be hexadecimal. This is very much important. Without this, you cannot move it in decimal. It's okay. What we will assume here, you know each and everything. It's okay. My request is the base of decimal is 10, binary is 2, octal is 8, hexadecimal is 16. Now I am asking you, what is the base of BCD number? I already taught here this some informations about the base. What is the BCD base? Example is here only. See here, decimal 25. I represented in binary fashion. I represented in BCD fashion. Binary fashion, how you are writing? Okay, equivalent. This is BCD. What is binary? Binary representation will be, first you can take 16 plus 9 is, okay, 16 how you are writing? 16 and 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. What is the value for this? I can write 0, 0, 0. 0001, 1, 0, 0, 1. What is the equivalent value for this? Binary. 16, 25. It's okay. And what is the value for BCD? 25. How these two are representing in 0 and 1? Binary base is 2. Even BCD base is 2. Binary base is 2. Even BCD base is 2. What do you mean by base 2? Using representation will be only 0 and 1. You see here, both have represented 0 and 1 only. But in coded decimal, binary coded decimal, this 25 is there, no? 2 will be representing separately, 5 will be representing separately with 4-bit representation. Therefore, I took 2 representation will be 0, 0, 1, 0. What is 0, 0, 1, 0? Equivalent value in decimal 0, 0, 1, 0.
4.
Hey, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. What is the value?
2, sir.
What is the value of 5? 5 representation will be 0, 1, 0, 1. What is the equivalent value of 0, 1, 0, 1? What is the equivalent value of 0, 1, 0, 1?
5.
5. This is 5. It's okay. Now you see, I can write first 2 and 5. Means I can write first 0, 0, 1, 0. Then I can write 0, 1, 0, 1. This is BCD representation. Then you use 0 and 1 other than any bit is included in this? No, because here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. In this you have used only 0 and 1. Then what is the base of BCD? 2. Base will be 2. You are using only 0 and 1. Similarly in the binary, you are using 0 and 1 in binary, even BCD also. But how you are representing in binary? Binary value starts with positions in the least significant bit to the most significant bit. See here, this is my LSB and this is my MSB. Least significant bit, most significant bit. The least significant bit value will be 1. The next position will be 2. Next is 4. Next is 8. Next is 16. Next is 32. Next is 64. Every time it will double. Every time it will double. It's okay. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. It's okay. 5, 12, 1024. That is 1K, 2K, 4K, 8K, 16K, 32K, 64K. Like that it is. In that case, what happens? If its value is 1, you consider that for addition. If its value is 0, ignore it, discard. Then you take the value. What is the position of least significant digit? 1. Then you have a value 1 because this is equivalent value will be 1. Then next one is there 2, no. Next one 4 is there, no. Next one 8 is there. Then I can write here plus 8. Next one is there, yes, 16. Next 3 are there, no. Then I can discard. What is the value equivalent for this one? 16 plus 8. 24. 24 plus 1. 25. Then 25 equivalent will be 0001, 1001. In which fashion you have represented this decimal 25 is binary. What I want to tell here is binary representation and BCD representation is different. You must know that. It's okay. BCD representation is individual decimal number will be representing in a coding fashion of binary 4-bit. It's okay. Therefore, named will be binary coded decimal. Now, what is your problem statement? Design the combination logic circuit to find the 9th complement of the BCD number. It's okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? I want only to differentiate what exactly the binary equivalent, what exactly the BCD equivalent for the decimal input. Now we'll start the table representation. The table representation, what you can do here is you have to go for double line. Can take it the cell number. Then you have to have a count of inputs A, B, C, D. Then you have a 9th complement. It's okay. Cell number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You go continuously. You have to go. It's okay. I have to have one more block. I can do it here, which you cannot see the bottom. Once again, this cell number. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And once again, this is input A, B, C, D, and you have a 9th complement. First, represent in binary fashion, coded fashion. 0 representation will be 4 zeros. 1 representation will be 0001. 2 0010. 3 0 011. 4 0100. 5 0101. 6 0110. 7 0111. 8 1000. 9 1010. 10 1001. 10 1010. 11 1011. 12 1100. 13 1101. 14 1110. 15 all ones. Now I am asking you, tell me about equivalent values, 9th complement equivalent values. Are you visible this one? See here, 9th complement of 0 is what is the value of 9th complement? 9. 1001. I can write in coded fashion. The 9th complement of 1 is 8. 120. 2 is 7. 3 is 4. 4 is 5. 5 is 3 is 6. 5 is 4. 6 is 3. 7 is 2. 8 is 1. 9 is 0. What do you suppose to the 9th complement of the particular value should match with value 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 8 representation. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 6, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 0. its value has to be matched to 9 for the 9's complement equivalent. Then next you see here, the important thing is 10. What is the equivalent value of 10? How many digit number 10 representation is? Single digit or double digit?
Double digit, sir.
Double digit. Our design is restricted only for the single digit. Then what should we do? The second digit means the fifth bit onwards or fifth digit onwards we won't consider. Therefore, we consider it as don't care. Next, what I will do? This is the don't care. 9 onwards, the cell number will be 2-digit decimal equivalent. We can't represent that in 4 bit. That will exceed 5th bit. We consider only first or any audio problem or noise is including? Who is 071? Audio you have to mute all.
Yes, sir.
Audio you have to mute all. Please, you have to mute all audio. 071, yes. See, in this case, when you have a table, it's okay. Then the nice complement value, when you have written, no, you have to give a name for that. It's okay. When you are giving the name for that, I can write here W, X, Y, Z inputs. Then each column you have to separate. Each column one you have to separate. It's okay. Then when you are separating the each column, you will come to know that it's okay. How to write for that? You write W. How you are writing W? W is first column. X is second column. Y is third column. Z is fourth column. Someone. 063 Prashanta. 064 Prashanta. Hey, you meet your audio. Everything I will come to know here, even I can note here. I'll call you afterwards. You should have to listen carefully and to follow that. See here, W indicates that the first column, X indicates that the second column, Y indicates that the third column, Z indicates that the fourth column. Now you write, it's okay. Where you have a 1 and where you have a 0. It's okay. In which row you have a 1 and which row you have a 0 based on the cell number. Then I can write the min term. Where it is 1, I suppose to consider that min term is exists in the design. Where it is 0, just you have to discard. Particularly from idea, bring it into truth table, you go for the which one? Min terms, because I am designing my idea in SOP form. Then I can write here sigma m of, I can write with the sigma m. The meaning of writing sigma m will be I am designing my idea using the min term. See here, in which cell number 1 is there for the first column. 1. Cell 0, cell 1. Then I can write 0, 1. Cell 0 is M0, cell 1 is M1, cell 2 is M2. Like that, cell 15 is M15. In which column, which column you have a 1, you can check it. First column you have to start. I'm starting with W. W is the first column. In the first column, where you have a 1, cell number 0, M0, that is 0. Cell number 1, that is 1. Do you have any one other than this? No. It's okay. No. Then, where you have a don't care, I can write sigma D. Where you have a don't care, I can write sigma D. Sigma D starts from 10th. Sigma D starts from 10th to 15. Then I can write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sigma D indicates that is the don't care. Don't care is 10 to 15. This is for all the columns. It's okay. Similarly, I can write with X. Tell me X, how you are writing? Second column, where you have a 1, that will be min terms exist in the design. Where you have a 0, discard it. Then I can write X equal to sigma M of. Tell me anyone, where you have a 1?
2,
Second
3,
column.
3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5. I can write 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have any other than this? No. Then what about sigma D? Sigma D is common for all, as I already told. Even W, X, Y, Z starts at 10 and it will be 15. The don't cares for all the columns, one can start at 10 and will be 15. Then I can write here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then what is the next? Y equal to? Why you are writing Y? Sigma M of. Where you have a 1 in third column?
2, 3, 6.
2, 3?
3, 6, 6, 7.
Okay. 2, 3, 6, 7. Plus sigma D of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then last is Z. Z is the last column. Last column, consecutive ones are there here. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, like it is there. Then 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers are 1, odds are zeros. Then sigma M of
0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Plus sigma D of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Once again, you can concentrate how to get in step 3. Idea into truth table into min terms, separations. Min term separations only you can put it into where? K-map or maybe QM method. This is comes in one function. It's okay. This one we have to minimize. Do you have any doubt into write W equal to X equal to Y equal to Z equal to in the form of min term as well as the don't care? Can I go for next?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt? Okay. Now I can take W, X, Y, Z and designing. It's okay. This table is no, I don't want. Then you design all W, X, Y, Z. I can take first W equal to sigma M 0, 1 plus sigma D 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, how many bit W is? How many bit W is? Number of min term exists on that, you have to conclude.
4 bits.
0 is there, 1 is there, till 15 is there. Even don't care also it includes. 15 indicates that 4 bit. The combinations will be 16. Then 4 bit. Then what do? You take one K-map. What do? You have to take one K-map. The K-map representation, what you write? W equal to. It's okay. Then the inputs, when you have to write it. The inputs, what you have to do? You have to write it. The inputs, when you are writing. The values, when you have to write here. 1, 2, 3, 4 separation. 3, 4 separation. Cell number I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. I can write here AB and CD. Because my inputs are AB, CD and output will be WH Z. It's okay. Now, based on the cell, you have to enter the K-map W equal to, I want to design. 0 and 1 are 1. Because min terms exist in the problem statement. Then what about the sigma D? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't case. That what I can do? Write X. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All are don't cares. Then what about others? Not exist. What the value supposed to write?
0, sir.
0. I can write 0. Concentrate. W is the equation I brought in K-map. What purpose? For minimization. W is the equation you got from the truth table. That has to be put it onto the one method, K-map method. Purpose, minimization. It's okay. Then now you have to group all 16 are ones, no. All 8 are ones, no. All 4 are ones, no. Then what to do? Group it with 4. Because these two are XX, then you can take for the 4 grouping. But here, only grouping of 2 is possible. These two. What way you can represent this, sir? How many rows covered for your grouping?
1 row, sir.
1 row. What is the address?
AB.
Then what is the value? What is the value? The value of AB address, I am talking.
A bar.
There is 0, 0 is there, supposed to get 1, therefore I am writing with A bar, B bar. Then how many columns covered?
2 columns.
Which is common address bit?
0.
0.
Belongs to which input?
C bar.
C. Then representation will be C bar, because that is 0, therefore it is C bar. Then I can write directly W equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. What is your design? W equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. That is the only. It's okay. One, it's okay. The output, you had an idea, like you can do it for the other. Do you have any doubt for W? W is 4-bit because the minterms 0 and 1, as well as the don't cares from 10 to 15, then the input variables needed will be 4. I considering inputs are A, B, C, D, therefore I took A, B and C, D. Then 16 cells I took, arranged the K-map, entered the minterms, group I did it. It's okay for the minimization. I got a single group, that to pair, and address will be A bar, B bar, C bar. Therefore, W equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. Similarly, you can go for X, Y, and Z. Now I can go for, it's okay, second one. I can write here. W I got will be A bar, B bar, C bar. I can go for X. It's okay. Then I can change this. What is X? X equal to sigma m of, I can write directly. Why to rewrite once again? This I can write here. X once again, what you do? You have A, B, C, D. Zero, 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 one, 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 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Cell number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Enter the cells in X. X minterms are, in X minterms present are
2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And don't cares are same for all. Which one it is? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's okay. See here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here it is there. Entry, you can check it for X. Any doubt, immediately you have to ask. Then cells which it is not covering by the midterm as well as they don't cares, we should write it as 0. Grouping all 16 is possible? No. Grouping 8 is possible? No. Grouping 4 is possible? Yes or no? Grouping
Yes,
4 is possible or not? Yes. Tell me the cell numbers. No. Who said no?
4, 5, 12, 13.
4, 5, 12, 13. Because including don't care is allowed. Don't care helps to reduce the hardware. Don't care helps to reduce the hardware. Here you have a don't care from 10 to 15. We already written in the cell. Then the cell number 4, cell number 5, cell number 12, cell number 13 possible to group of 4. Don't say no. 4 it is possible. Then what is the equivalent term for that? Common row. Row address is 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1.
B C bar, sir.
B C bar, good. B C bar is right. Row I got B common. Column I got 0 common. Belongs to C. I written it as C bar. B C bar is right. Then do you have another block of 4? Group of 4 is possible?
No, sir. No, sir.
It is yes. It is
Yes,
yes.
sir. 2, 3, 11, 10, sir.
Yes, sir.
2, 3,
11, 10.
2, 3, 10, 11. 2, 3, 10, 11. I told you this is looks like flat, but connected, physically adjacent. 2 is physical adjacent to 10. 3 is physical adjacent to 11. Then I can group like this. 2, 3, 10, 11 are possible to group up in a group 4 cells. Then what is this function?
B bar C.
Huh? B bar?
C.
B bar C is right. B bar C. See here. Its address is 0, 0. Its address is 1, 0. Common is 0. Belongs to B. B bar I have written. Then last 2 addresses 1, 1 and 1, 0. 1 is common. 1 belongs to C. I have written C. Then how many terms you have? 2. Which is equal to X equal to. I can write here. X equal to B bar C plus B C bar. What is B bar C plus B C bar? B XOR C. B XOR C. It's okay. B XOR C indicates that B C bar plus B bar C. That is there. Means the second one you have applied with the K map and got the minimizer term. It's okay. Like you can go for the Y. Any doubt in this X? This grouping is possible. Don't say no. Because both are adjacent, physically adjacent. 2, 3 physically adjacent to 10 and 11. Even 10 is physically adjacent to 8. Okay, I can move to next. Next will be Y. How you are writing Y? I can write Y for entry. No, I am not writing the cell numbers. Directly I can enter the cell numbers. A, B, C, D 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Any of this don't cares are there. This is known thing is there. Then Y is 2, 3, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Cell number. Can I write 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are the don't cares. Then how many ones are there? 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Then rest blocks or rest cells you have written as 0. Then grouping of 16 is possible here?
No, sir.
8 is possible here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Possible.
Cell number 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 15, 10, 11. Possible. Group of 8 is possible here. Group of 8 is possible here. Okay, what is the term of group of 8? In
C, sir.
row it is not possible because here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Common is not there.
C. C,
Only
sir. C. Only C.
1 is there, 1, 0 is there. Only you have a C. Because 1, 1 and 1, 0, common is 1, 1 belongs to C. Not right. Then what is Y? Y equal to C. Output is Y, input is C. Is it? Then what is last? You can go for Z. A, B, C, D 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. I'm writing fast. This is X is there anyhow. Don't care is there, and you have a 0, 0 is there. 0, 2, I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, no. 6, 7 is there. Okay. Sorry. Can I write here 1? Because all are exist. I can write 0, 0, 0. I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can leave at the bottom addresses. Now you see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorry.
8 is there, sir. 7.
8 is. I took the top one. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Can I change everything? Uploads, right? Right, because of wrong thing. Right. Okay, now you take Z because I copied 7. 7 Y. Z I can take 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And rest all are 0. Check the entry once again. I copied initially Y, but this is Z. Z is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And what it will be? 10. It's okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are the don't guess. Now grouping of 16 is possible?
No, sir.
Grouping of 8 is possible?
Yes, sir. Possible.
Tell me the cell number.
2,
0, 2, 6,
9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now tell me the cell number.
2, 6,
6, 9, 16, 10, 3, 12, 4, 0.
0, 4, 12, 8, 2, 6, 14, 10. This is possible. See. One side column, another side column. It's okay. 0, 4, 12, 8, 2, 6, 14, 10. Cells possible to make a group of 8. Now what is the term?
D bar.
Row will not come. 0, 0 and 1, 0 is the address. Common is 0, belongs to D. I can write D bar. Then I can write Z is equal to D bar. Z is equal to D bar. It's okay. We calculated from W, X, Y, Z based on the input A, B, C, D. Now what should you do? Implement. Our problem statement is combinational logic design you have to implement. I got already W, X, Y, Z. Then what you do? You have to design. Do you have any problem in entry? Because I already told W, X, Y, Z. One or the other way you will understand how to enter the problem statement. This is exactly the same as K-map. We did it in module 1. The same will repeat here also. It's okay. Now what to do? You can implement. The implementation will be implementation for basic gates. Particularly for the basic gates, what you do? You have A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Then you have a line. Simple way you can take. And you have one NOT gate. A to A bar, B to B bar, C to C bar, and D to D bar. Then what I want, W I want. W is A bar, B bar, C bar. I can take A bar, B bar, C bar. What is this? W. X, what is X? B bar, B XOR C. B XOR C. Then I can take here B and C. XOR gate. This is X. Then the next Y. Y is C. Directly you can write where is C? C is this one. This is your Y. Directly you can write. Y is your C. Then what is Z? Z is D bar. Where D bar is that? This one. This is Z. How to implement this one? You have an input of A, B, C. Simply you can convert that to A bar, B bar, C bar from adding the NOT gate. Then you need A or A bar. Based on that, you have to take through wire and connect it to the conventional gates. It's okay. Then you have to write the output. You have an output of W, X, Y, Z. And this is the hardware. It's okay. Which tool designed by your problem statement? See here, design the combination circuit to find the 9th complement of the BCD number. Then what do? You give inputs A, B, C, D, and you will get all the time WX and Y, WX, Y, Z. From that table, compare it later. So okay, this is the way you supposed to move for the design of the combinational network. Do you have any doubt? Some more examples you have to solve. As many examples it is not possible to solve here. You have any doubt, you are allowed to communicate at any time. It's okay, off time you have to call. Even if you came for college, some other work or purposely for that, which it is allowed to discuss the subject matters. And next, as I told, we'll have one more example. Tomorrow I can take it with other example for division A. That will also upload. You can use for that video for next problem. But the next class for B division will be encoder or a decoder design will start. Time for 10:30. I am asking you, you have any doubt, we'll have a conversation. Otherwise, I will allow you to exit. Do you have any doubt? At least one can, okay. At least one can unmute. It's okay. And to say yes or no. No, you don't have any problem? It's okay. Ask me. I'm allowing others, means others who have a no problem, they can exit. Okay, thank you, one and all.
Hello, sir.